Solve for what? Solve for P? But Q is there. How to solve for P? Oh, calm down. Calm down. If they ask you to solve for P, it means P should be alone. Every other T should be on the right hand side, while P is on the left hand side, okay? But the first thing you need to first of all look at now is this and this are the same, okay? That is good enough. Plus, that means we can apply the first law of logarithm. What we need to do here now is, first of all, we move this to this place, okay? So that we can see clearly. It's confusing us there. Q now, we put 3 here equals to 3. So we don't need this bracket anyway. So now we can take one of the base and put this and this as it is on top of this 3 equals to 3. So this 3 now needs to go to this side and carry this other 3 so that this guy can come down. So you need to come down. If you come down, this log will disappear. You go here and carry this guy, okay? What is this? This is 27, okay? We are asked to find P. Let me put this one here first before I talk about finding P. Okay, because we are asked to find P, that means this guy needs to go. This guy is out. Because we divide this side by Q raised to power 3, we must divide the other side by Q raised to power 3. Therefore, this is what? 27 over Q raised to power 3, okay? Hope you understand this. Okay, so it depends on the options in the exam. It depends on the options. It is possible you may be asked to simplify this further. For instance, if you see that this is not part of the options, you can do, this is 3 raised to power 3 over Q raised to power 3, which is also equals to 3 over Q. Because 3 is here, we can just put 1, 3. It therefore means you can do it as 3 over Q raised to power 3. So this is possible. This is also possible. It depends on what is in the options, okay? Hope you understand everything. Thank you for viewing.